You might think that cleaning your home with natural products is a waste of time and money. We have all had bad experiences where those natural products just don't work. Today, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can clean your house naturally and not use any of those nasty chemicals. Creating a natural multi-purpose kitchen spray will not only save you money, but it will keep your kitchen clean without using any of those nasty chemicals. First, combine vinegar and water. Then add in your essential oil. Today, I'll be using tea tree oil. Shake the bottle to mix everything together. Then spray directly onto the surface and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Getting rid of soap scum and built-up residue can be easy with a bit of lemon, salt, and some elbow grease. First, cut your lemon in half, then dip half the lemon in the salt. Scrub your shower doors, basin, and tapware. Dip the salt frequently for best results, then rinse with water. And finally, wipe dry with a microfiber cloth. This simple, environmentally friendly glass cleaner is not only effective, but it also uses ingredients you already have at home. Combine water and dishwashing liquid in a bucket or a spray bottle. Then just clean the surface and wipe down with a microfiber cloth. Make your tiled areas shine with a natural cleaning solution. Combine equal amounts of baking soda and water to form a paste. Then cover the grout lines with the paste. Pour the vinegar into a spray bottle and spray onto the area. And once the mixture stops foaming, scrub with a brush. Finally, rinse with water and wipe with a rag. Follow these tips and start cleaning like an eco-warrior.